Hello everyone, I'm Rinku Dhiman, working as an assistant professor in electrical engineering department at RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus, Karnal. So today we are going to discuss about the different kind of transducer as well, like LED, phototransistor and solar cell. So one by one we'll discuss all these three kind of transducers. So first of all, if we'll talk about the solar cell, at its name that it is related to the light energy or the light energy from the sun rays. So solar cell is nothing but that convert the heat energy of the sun rays into the electricity, that is basically direct current. So we can see that the light energy from the sun is put upon on the semiconductor material over here, and the semiconductor material is nothing but two layer, that is n type and p type material we utilize, right? So PN junction principle we work over here. The light energy will put on this PN junction, and this PN junction combination is known as the solar cell. So this will convert the light energy into the electric current, and that electric current will flow through this our load, we can say. So it will directly illuminate our load. So the light intensity is increased, the supply voltage to the load will be increased, right? So relationship between the light intensity and the open circuit voltage is constant, and therefore it will produce a linear graph. So this is the solar cell. LED. So LED is nothing but that is a semi-conductive PN junction enclosed in a colored case to enhance the color of the light output. So you can see that over here this is an enclosed periphery or enclosed junction, we can say PN junction. So here is the PN junction basically. So this is nothing but PN diode, right? So we can say that silicon is not mostly used to produce the colors, because it just put the heat rather than the lights. So semiconductor materials used in manufacture of LED determine the color of the emitted light. So the different kind of semiconductor materials like germanium, barium, etc. will use to produce the color of emitted lights. So by using the different materials such as produce the different colors like red, yellow, or we can say that green, and even invisible light spectrum such as infrared can be produced as well. So different type of semiconductor material is responsible for different color of lights as well. Phototransistor. So the phototransistor is nothing but a 3-layer semiconductor device with a light sensitive collector, base, P and junction. So you can see over here there are 3 terminals. One is collector, emitter and base. So the BC yani ki, the base terminal and collector terminals, this is known as nothing but the collector base PN junction. So over here on this base and collector we have to amount of light is falling on this, and the current flowing through the collector and emitter circuit will be controlled by the amount of light. So this is the amount of light falling on the collector and base junctions. So the voltage across this collector to emitter will depend upon the falling light intensity of these photons. So as the light intensity increase, the base collector junction resistance of the phototransistor increase, right? Light intensity will be increase, resistance will be decrease of the junction, and this decreased resistance increase the base of current, and in turn increase the flow of current. So directly we can say that relationship between the light intensity and current flow is generally constant, and it will show a linear graph. So we can say as the light intensity will be increased, the current will be increased as well, right? So this is a linear relationship between the light intensity and current. Thank you very much. This is all about the transducer related to our light kind of things. Or stay tuned with us for more videos on transducers. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.